Humanity aims to colonize Mars by 2026. As of today, our education system isn't designed for life off Earth. It's imperative we address this issue as soon as possible. Fortunately, it's easier than it sounds, especially with advancements in artificial intelligence and extended reality technology. Another benefit of creating a school designed for use in space is we're simultaneously creating a school deployable anywhere on Earth. We start the design process focused on the worst-case learning situation: isolation. It won't always be the case, but it's the best place to start due to its simplicity. Step 1 is creating the account system recording your progress in any given subject, whether it's taught by Project Universe's in-game teaching methods or partnered educational institutions, including non-traditional ones such as Brilliant, CuriosityStream, and National Geographic. The purpose of recording your progress is streamlining the education-to-job process. A personal favorite is never having to fill out an application or resume ever again. Step 2 is providing access to all non-Project Universe educational material as soon as possible. This step has 2 stages. The first is essentially uncurated access during initial development. The second is community-curated curriculums facilitating the best learning experience. In-game, users access the content via displays located throughout the play area, on wall-mounted displays, wrist-mounted displays similar to Pip-Boys, cell phones, and most vehicles. This way, no matter what you're doing, you can always be learning something new. This is the fastest way we can start combating cabin fever for people stuck at home during our quarantine with minimal gameplay development required. Step 3 is creating various in-game methods of teaching different things. For example, opening a locked door requires solving a series of math problems. Automating your farm requires assembling the robot at a crafting bench as if you were doing so in real life. Creating personalized equipment requires assembling it as you want it. This hands-on teaching method is consistently the most effective way of teaching anyone anything without requiring the materials in real life. With these 3 steps, people are able to learn most everything necessary to become a functional member of society while isolated. Our first goal is to provide the typical preschool to 18-year-old level education followed by college courses. We can expect the most complex ones, such as becoming a doctor, to be among the last to be completed. Step 4 is creating the classroom-style teaching environment so we can send the minimum required hardware for teaching in poverty-stricken locations. Essentially, we want to create a bare minimum teaching package we can send anywhere. For example, a solar panel, battery pack, Starlink satellite dish, and a bunch of tablets. What it is will likely change as we get closer to this step. The primary goal is creating a comprehensive solution capable of teaching anyone, anything, anywhere at their pace. AI makes teaching nearly anything in isolation possible, but we also allow human teachers for those uncomfortable with an AI teacher or the AI is incapable of teaching a particular subject. Augmented and virtual reality further expands what's able to be taught without requiring the physical materials to teach a particular subject. When it comes to education, we're not competing with other educators, we're cooperating, as we're able to create a better education system together. Many of the issues humanity faces are solved with proper education, so we want to make sure it's the best it could possibly be. To learn more about Project Universe, head over to shoustel.com.